I'm sure you've heard the news. Coughs are the worst. Here's how you can get rid of them quickly. First, sip warm water with honey. It soothes your throat and helps stop the cough. Next, try steam inhalation. Breathe in steam from a bowl of hot water. It clears congestion and soothes your airways. Need something simple? Suck on a lozenge or hard candy. It keeps your throat moist and reduces coughing. Got a humidifier? Use it. Moist air can ease your cough, especially at night. Finally, avoid irritants. No smoking and stay away from strong smells. They can make your cough worse. So there you have it. Simple tips to stop coughing quickly. Stay healthy and breathe easy.